How do you describe the effect of escalating situations of uncontrolled misbehavior in a classroom? Would this be letter A, ripple effect, letter B, rainbow effect, letter C, mushroom effect, or letter D, step up effect? Escalating situations. Of course, we all know what an escalator is, di ba? Pataas ang pataas. So when you say escalating situations, palala ng palala, no? So escalating situations of uncontrolled misbehavior. Ibig sabihin po nito, no? Kapag ka merong nag-misbehave sa inyong klase at hindi mo na control, nag-escalate or lumalala ang misbehavior inside your classroom. Kasi yung nangyayari po ay nahahawaan, di ba? Nahahawaan yung mga seatmates niya until such time that the entire classroom is already noisy, that the entire classroom is already misbehaving. And of course, sumpak na choice po natin here is letter A. This is the ripple effect, no? Ripple effect. So ito po yung ripple effect. And this is also coming from Jacob Kunin, no? So the ripple effect, sabi dito, occurs when other students respond to the positive or negative feedback given to a student. Kasi nga, sabi dito sa ating situation, sa ating pong question, walang feedback, hindi mo sinaway in time, no, yung nag-misbehave mong estudyante, and so lumala yung sitwasyon inside your classroom.